Welcome back. The Goa Pollution Control Board has granted more time to the 48 mine firms to file their replies. The board has set 8th June as the last date to file their replies to show cause notices issued to them. The board had issued show cause notices based on the High Court directives in a PIL filed for exceeding the overproduction.
Goa State Pollution Control Board began the hearing of 48 mining firms on Wednesday. The firms were issued notices for extracting ore beyond permissible capacity. The hearing is supposed to take place in 3 batches.
Now today, all those mines were supposed to be present. They were present. The mines also requested the chairman that if the Goa Foundation wants to produce any additional documents on which they want to rely, they should be provided. They should be given opportunity to also reply to those allegations. I mean, whatever the contents are there in the additional documents. So they should be provided with the copies of those documents. The mines should submit all the documents to the board, replies to the points raised in the show cause notice, as well as the points raised in the additional points, replies to the additional documents which the Goa Foundation may produce by 8th June.
Meanwhile, the board has also granted 2 weeks' time to the mining firms who are also issued notices to check the validity of environment clearance as they had expired. The firms have asked for time to reply as the matter is being heard by the Supreme Court. The firms have to reply by 10th of May. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Were the Congress tickets in Goa sold? Did some Congress leaders make money out of Goa elections? Why isn't a GPCC meeting convened till date in Goa to review party's poll performance? Is Senior Rane's choice as leader of opposition a right one? These are the questions before the Congress High Command raised by senior party leader from Goa through a letter to Madam Sonia. Prudent has a copy of the letter.
This might be a shocker for the state Congress leadership. A senior party leader from Goa has raised serious issues before the party high command. The letter has been directly mailed to AICC President Sonia Gandhi. Prudent Media has the copy of this letter. This is what it says. Here are some excerpts. Replacing BK Hari Prasad on eve of poll was a big mistake. It is because some leaders in Delhi wanted to make money. In fact, some leaders did make money out of Goa poll. Tickets for Goa Assembly elections were sold. Loyal and hard-working Congress workers were ignored. Till date, no review of party's poll performance at GPCC level. Pratap Singh Rane cannot speak, cannot take on ruling party in assembly. Rane's son has committed sins of commission and omission in 5 years. High Command should act against those responsible for debacle. Sources say, Congress High Command has taken cognizance of this letter and summoned the state leaders for a post-poll Panchanama in Delhi. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Dalgat Cockney Academy will release a biography on the life of Father Freddy da Costa. The name of the biography is Cockney Bagintle Pormolithful Padre Freddy. Freddy da Costa was the first president of Dalgat Cockney Academy. The function will be held on Friday at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon.
Dalgat Cockney Academy has been working for the development of Cockney in Roman script. It has planned to release a biography on the life of its first president, Father Freddy J. da Costa. The name of the biography is Bagintle Pormolithful Padre Freddy, which means a fragrant flower from the garden of Cockney.
निमणे बागान जेन्ना प्रकल्प जावन आसलो दालगाद कोंकणी अकादेमीचो ही अकादेमी कित्या पासत आयली कशी घडली कसल्यो आडकोडी आयल्यो मागीर ती जेमेवंक लागली आनी मागीर फादर फ्रेडी मोच्चे थोडेच दीस आहा म्हणल्यार सुमार एकूच सुमान आहा म्हणल्यार ताणें एक वरिश्ठ जमात आपयली हो मुवमेंट आहा तो फुडें व्हरोन म्हणजे ताची खबर बारीकसाणेन हांवें दिल्ली आसा.
The biography runs in 104 pages, having 10 chapters each, dealing with different aspects in Father Freddy's life. This is Academy's 21st book to be published and first biography. It will be released at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon on Friday. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dice.
The annual music concert Swaranjali 3 in memory of late Mohan Bab Kakula would be held on April 15th at Goa Academy in Panji. Natya Sangeet, Bharatnatyam and Jugalbandi by the eminent personalities will mesmerize the evening.
Swaranjali 3 would be held on April 15th at Goa Academy, Pancham. This is organized by Kakulas in memory of late Mohan Bab Kakula, a knowledgeable person in Indian classical music who promoted local talent. Swaranjali 3 will showcase a concert comprising of 3 parts: Natya Sangeet, performance by artists from Pune; Bharatnatyam, Indian classical dance performance by outstanding and well-trained Goan students from Kalanjali School of Classical Dance from Margao; and Jugalbandi by Abhijit Pohankar and his troupe from Mumbai.
Firstly, we have a school in Kandolim called Mohan Kakulov Music Academy, which is run in Kandolim. So as usual, we will have students of our school perform on this for this program. Then we are having a Natya Sangeet program from artists from Pune who are coming down. They will tell you more details about it. And the last session is going to be something which all the people thrive for. It is the Jugalbandi, which people want to see and enjoy in Goa, because that's the response we have been getting for the last 2 years.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sushant Pal.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.